Hello! Let's learn simple English together.
Hello. Let's practice English together. Listen and repeat. I wake up early. I wake up early. I make my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to work. I go to school. I go to school. I open my laptop. I open my laptop. I check my emails. I check my emails. I answer messages. I answer messages. I talk to my boss. I talk to my boss. I talk to my friends. I talk to my friends. I start working. I start working. I study English. I study English. I read a book. I read a book. I write notes. I write notes. I listen to music. I listen to music. I watch videos. I watch videos. I take a break. I take a break. I drink water. I drink water. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I walk outside. I walk outside. I make a phone call. I make a phone call. I send a message. I send a message. I clean my desk. I clean my desk. I finish my work. I finish my work. I go home. I go home. I take the bus. I take the bus. I drive home. I drive home. I open the door. I open the door. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I turn on the TV. I turn on the TV. I relax at home. I relax at home. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I take a shower. I take a shower. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read messages. I read messages. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I play with my dog. I play with my dog. I drink tea. I drink tea. I watch a movie. I watch a movie. I feel tired. I feel tired. I go to bed. I go to bed. I sleep early. I sleep early.
I wake up at night. I wake up at night. I check the time. I check the time. I drink some water. I drink some water. I go back to sleep. I go back to sleep. I have a busy day. I have a busy day. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I need some rest. I need some rest. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I smile a lot. I smile a lot. I say hello. I say hello. I say thank you. I say thank you. I say good morning. I say good morning. I say good afternoon. I say good afternoon. I say good night. I say good night. I help my friend. I help my friend. I open the window. I open the window. I close the door. I close the door. I sit down. I sit down. I stand up. I stand up. I walk slowly. I walk slowly. I walk fast. I walk fast. I carry my bag. I carry my bag. I look around. I look around. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I buy something. I buy something. I pay the bill. I pay the bill. I get a receipt. I get a receipt. I go to the store. I go to the store. I come back home. I come back home. I feel hungry. I feel hungry. I feel full. I feel full. I drink some juice. I drink some juice. I eat some fruit. I eat some fruit. I talk to people. I talk to people. I learn new words. I learn new words. I practice every day. I practice every day. I try again. I try again. I never give up. I never give up. I feel proud. I feel proud. I stay positive. I stay positive. I enjoy my day. I enjoy my day. I have a good life. I have a good life. I feel grateful. I feel grateful. I am ready for tomorrow. I am ready for tomorrow. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I relax my body. I relax my body. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. I dream peacefully. I dream peacefully.
Great job! You did amazing today. Keep practicing every day, and your English will improve little by little. Don't forget to listen and repeat again tomorrow. See you in the next video.